Welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. In this video, I'll be speaking about whether you should quit your job or not, okay? Because this is a question that many people ask themselves when they start learning to trade. Now, I'll speak on this on both sides, okay? So if you have a job and you're thinking about trading or quitting your job to start trading, I will speak to you. And if you don't have a job, I will also cover that. Now, let us begin for those who have jobs. Now, if you have a job and you're starting to trade, you are very lucky. Okay, because you'll be having enough capital to start with. What do I mean by this? Now, if you have a job, you can be saying every month I'll be putting 10% aside for my trading. Okay, and even if you lose it, you can start again the next month or after some time. So, should you quit or not? Now, guys, if you're starting out, please do not quit your job. If you're starting out, okay, if you know you're a beginner and you're just figuring out, or you have just completed learning and practicing and you're starting out, please do not quit your job. Because when most people are starting out, even I included, you experience some losses here and there. Now, if you have a job, you are very lucky because you'll be having enough capital to back up your losses. So in case you encounter losses, you can be able to back up and gain some capital from your salary on that month or in the next, and you come back in the market stronger. Okay, so if you're starting out, do not quit. Now, when should you quit? Now, the moment you see that now you're trading and your income is increasing, and you see that now your income from trading is doubling or even tripling your salary, now you can then quit. But if your trading income is not approaching the double or triple your salary, please do not quit. Okay, having both sources of income will be a great benefit to you. If you're earning less than double your salary or less than triple, just find a way to balance both, because having both will be a great benefit to you. Why? Because you can be trading, let's say you can be trading in the evenings, and you work, you can be working, let's say from 9 p.m. to 5, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But you trade from 6 to 8, and then you come and trade later from 10 to 11. All right? So you can find a way to balance both of them. But once you see now that you see that your salary is now passing the double or triple mark, you can then quit your job, because now you'll be able to sustain yourself without any struggle. But if it is less, just find a way to balance both of them, because it will be a great benefit to you. All right. So please do that. Don't be in a rush to quit, especially if you're starting out. Do not quit if you're starting out, because you will need the income from that salary, especially when you're starting out, okay? So don't be in a rush, and guys, you'll be okay. Now, for those who don't have jobs, what should you do? If you don't have a job, don't worry. Put all your energy into learning and practicing. Find a way to save up some money, and then go into trading with a full force, okay? So if you don't have a job, don't worry. Learn and practice with all your effort and might, okay? Ask questions, and then find a way to just save or even borrow, and then now enter into the trading market, being very careful and cautionary, okay? So that you avoid any losses, because losses, if you're unemployed, can be quite a challenge, okay? I experienced this when I started. I did not have a job, so saving up after encountering losses was quite a hassle, okay? So be careful when you're trading, all right? Be very careful. Don't take too much risks, because again, you don't want to encounter losses, okay? And once you do that, guys, you will be okay. So for those who are employed, keep your job if you're earning less than 2%, less than 2 times your salary, or also keep your job if you're earning less than 2 times your salary, or quit if you're earning more than double or triple your salary, because now you'll be comfortable, you'll be able to maintain your lifestyle and even improve it. All right? If you don't have a job, put all your energy and effort into practicing and learning, so that when you come into trading, you won't encounter these small losses. And again, do not take too much risks, okay? Don't take too much risk when you're entering the market if you don't have a job, because that can become a very big limiting factor, okay? So guys, that is basically what I wanted to tell you, because I've seen many people are confused about this. Should I keep my job? Should I quit my job? What should I do if I don't have a job, and so on? So guys, I hope this will help a majority of you when you're entering into this trading landscape. Again, don't fear. Enter with full courage. Go trade, because this can literally change your life. Okay? So guys, I hope you'll put this into practice. Take this into fact. Okay? consider this. It's not a must. If you feel that you're too much pulled into the trading arena and you're earning less than 2%, it is okay. But it will be easier if you find a way to balance both, if you're earning less than double, or quit if you're earning more than double or triple, because now you'll be able to maintain yourself easily. All right, so guys, I hope keep that into fact, okay? And keep pushing, guys. Don't give up. If you encounter losses, take a break and then bounce back stronger. Don't give up. Keep pushing, keep trading, and let us grow together. Thank you guys for watching this video, and good luck.